I just need you back.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday. Today I'm coming on to share with you how I use some of Teckwrap's pearl adhesive vinyl to make this lovely Christmas decor. So today's video is sponsored by Teckwrap, which they send me over a lot of their vinyl, which I'm going to share with you a little later. Okay, so we have our vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this broad paint tape here. And what I did is I kept the width, and I just used my measuring tape and measured the length, mark it off, and then I just cut off where I marked off and place it onto our vase. And I did that going all around the vase, different little spots, just dotted them down anywhere I thought fit. Once again, just measure it down, cut it, and then place it onto our vase. Okay, so now I'm going to use some of this silver metallic paint and some baking soda because we are going to add texture to our vase. So I'm just going to mix the two of them together. I don't really measure it. I just add it and mix it until I get the thickness that I'm comfortable with. So now that that's all done, I'm going to add the paint to our vase. And I'm just going to be painting it all over where I don't have the painter's tape. So I'm just going to share with you now what I got from Teckwrap. And here is the bundle that they sent me. Okay, so they sent some of these X-Acto knife with the different parts to share. And then we have the weeding tool with the little parts, which is so cute. You could just use one thing and just change out the parts. And then of course these are all the nice vinyls that they sent me, and also some transfer tape. And these are all the lovely colors that come in the set. And I'll have a link to all these colors in the description box so you guys can go over and check them out. And I'll be using these two with another color on my DIYs today. Alright, so now that I'm all finished painting our vase, I'm just going to remove our painter's tape before it dries. And I have another vase that I'll be doing, and I'll set them both aside to dry. Okay, so for our next DIY, I have this tall vase here, and I painted off the center with some painter's tape, and this is the color paint that I'll be adding to this vase along with our baking soda. So once again, I'm just going to mix up everything. And now I'm just going to add the paint going right around our vase. And then when I'm all done, I'll be setting everything aside to dry for a few hours. And now I'm going to go quickly into Cricut Design Space and get the images that I would like to use on our decor today. And then I will send them to be cut using my Cricut Joy Extra. And then of course we have to weed all our designs. Okay, so here is our first vase. And I'm just going to clean off each spot with some rubbing alcohol. And now I'm going to be adding each of our little design to our candle holder. Now that that's all done, I'll be coming in with some of this bling wrap here, which has a self-adhesive on the back, and I'll be just placing it going around each of our little squares. Doesn't that look cute? I love how it turned out. So I also did one of the Dollar Tree candle holders, and I added the paint to the bottom part of it. So I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue our two pieces together. And here is our finished look. Don't they look lovely? I love how they turned out. Using the Teckwrap Pearl Adhesive Vinyl in each of our little openings. Some with candles, some are with a Christmas gift box. I think it looks super cute. And here's how it looks with some tea lights inside. Some string lights. You could use string lights, or you could use a real candle if you want, or you could use the what do they call those candles now? They're not real, but oh Lord, I forgot what they're called, but they're just little light up candles. You can add those inside. I think it looks lovely. A nice set of Christmas candles for this Christmas season, for yourself or to give as a gift to a loved one. On to our vase. So it's all dry. Doesn't that look nice? I love the textured look. So I'm going to clean off this opening with some rubbing alcohol, and then we're going to add our pieces to our vase. So just center it as best as I can. Doesn't that look nice? It's the same color as our paint. I love it. So now I'm going to add our gift box. And one more of this little green one down here. Alright, so now I'm going to add some more of our bling wrap here. And I cut it into 2 strips going along the 2 sides of the opening of the vase. And here is our finished look. I think it makes such a lovely Christmas vase. And the Teckwrap Pearl Adhesive Vinyl looks so nice. They do have a little shimmer to them. I know it's not showing on the camera, but it looks absolutely beautiful. And here it is with some string lights inside and also some flowers. A lovely Christmas vase decor. I love how this one turned out. I think it looks so beautiful. Alright everyone, I will leave the link below, like I said, to Teckwrap Pearl Adhesive Vinyl. So you can go and check them out. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 Glam Christmas DIYs, and leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And remember, I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is Freestyle Wednesdays, and Sunday is my regular DIYs. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today, and I do hope I have inspired you with 2 more lovely decor ideas for this Christmas season. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.